Here at Ditton Park Academy, this project was about upgrading an existing building to a complete new build in a new location. It consisted of two buildings, the main building and the sports hall. We're Law & Stewart and we were brought on this project to complete the mechanical and electrical works. We went to Ideal Commercial for the boilers for this project because we've used them for a long time and their support has been second to none. We used the Imax boilers and the Evomax boilers. On this project in particular there was spatial constraints and some of the plant rooms were a lot smaller than we expected. The sports hall consisted of two Evomax boilers. They came with the header kit, which was prefabbed off-site, which meant it was so much easier for installation. In the main building, the plant room is situated on the roof, and the way to get them up onto the roof was via a crane. We selected to use the Imax Xtra. There's a bigger load on the project for the heating demand and the hot water services, but it was also on the size of them and where we could fit them in. They were also selected based on their efficiencies and their outputs and their energy usage, because that all goes as part towards the BREEAM credit that we set out to achieve on this project. They're very easy to use. I mean, the screens on them and the controls on them are excellent, and the BMS company employed to do this job had a very easy time getting anything from Ideal to help them set these up. My contact at Ideal Commercial, he was always on call. When you're running a project, it's very important to get this sort of information in a timely manner. Ideal Commercial boilers ticked all the right boxes for us.